Real facts about girls, boys should know. 1. Girls like guys with sense of humor. 2. Girls hate guys who always brag about themselves. 3. Girls are very suspicious human beings. 4. Girls love to chat about anything. 5. Girls easily get carried away by their emotions. 6. Girls love gentlemen. 7. A girl's decision is always changeable. 8. It is really hard to trace why girls are unpredictable. 9. Girls hate guys who gossip. 10. You can hook a girl by knowing her interests. 11. Girls hate it when you make them wait. 12. Girls love babies. 13. Girls don't take a full meal, especially when they are on a diet. 14. Girls love to eat junk food, sweets or fruits in between meals that can double up a full meal. 15. Girls are every conscious people. 16. Girls hate guys who whistle at their back. The act makes them look like cheap. 17. Girls hate guys who hurt them physically. 18. A girl is not necessarily after a guy with towering height. He just has to be taller than she is. 19. Girls usually compete unconsciously among themselves, especially when it comes to beauty. 20. Girls love pampering and being pampered by their boyfriends. So be careful, this can lead her to be possessive. 21. Girls have changeable moods. 22. Girls like smart guys. 23. Girls like neat and presentable guys. 24. Girls can keep their deepest, darkest secrets for a lifetime, unlike guys who are very open about themselves. 25. Girls are the ones who can make a relationship stay longer, but they don't want to have a dominating character over their boyfriend. 26. You should let her cool first before you say sorry, otherwise she won't accept your apology. 27. Girls like guys who can protect and defend them. 28. Like Eve, a girl is man's weakness. 29. Girls are generally more organized people than guys. 30. Girls are physically weaker than guys but are emotionally stronger when problems arise. 31. A girl smokes and drinks through she knows it's not a good impression on her. 32. Girls wear makeup to highlight their physical assets. 33. Girls have innumerable crushes but her heart belongs only to one guy. 34. Girls mature faster and grow older than guys their same age. 35. Girls are more prone to getting fat easily. 36. Girls love receiving letters. 37. Girls love surprises. 38. Before you court a girl, study her inside out. 39. It's hard for a girl to recover from the past. 40. A girl can easily forgive you if you are sincere with your apology. 41. A girl can suppress her feelings if she knows that a relationship wouldn't work. 42. Girls are weight conscious. 43. A girl loves talking all alone with the guy she's truly in love with, especially in romantic and isolated places. 44. Girls drool a lot over shopping malls. 45. Girls like guys with broad shoulders and breasts. 46. Girls admire sports-minded guys a lot. 47. High heels increase a girl's poise on a catwalk. 48. Girls love guys who can bear with what they feel. 49. Girls are genetically sensitive. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.